All right, I'm back out in the shop today. Today's project is rebuilding the carb on the El Camino. I'm going to be going to Elko Fest 2026, and I got to get this carb apart and cleaned out. There's kind of a flutter in it. It's been running okay, but it needs to be looked at and see what's going on. The show is at the end of the month, so I'll video that when we're out there. And I just returned from Tennessee. I went on a nice 5-day bike trip with the blue bike. Last year was the black bike. The black bike I've got for sale. And anyway, that's what I got going on. I'm in the processes of getting a shop built in Tennessee, preparing for my move in the next few years. And then once that's all together, I'll start moving stuff out and down so I don't, have to rush around and get it done. But let's get to this carburetor and I'll bring it back in a sec.
All right, here I'm disassembling the carb, and true to my nature, I lost a whole bunch of footage assembling the carb. What I used to clean it was a 1-to-1 ratio of pine sol to water, and man, did it clean it up well. Here it is all back together and running, and man, is it running good. So it looks like I'll be making the Elko Fest at the end of the month. Thanks for watching.